So as a flight attendant and then being diagnosed with fibromyalgia, I was in constant chronic pain, but I wanted to be able to have a quality of life and continue to have vitality and not age so fast. I decided to look into alternative medicine treatments because painkillers and drugs were not the place that I wanted to go to. That just puts a Band-Aid on the situation. It doesn't fix the root of the problem. So I started my search to the point that I discovered cryotherapy. And it was amazing. I could not believe the change that happened in my body even after that one session. My knee wasn't locking up on the plane anymore. I didn't have a migraine every single day of my trip. So one time did that for me, I knew there was something to this. Learned a little bit about how alternative medicine for our aging is so important and how to reverse those signs of aging, to feel better, to feel younger, to have more vitality and a more quality of life. And that's what got me into the rabbit hole and into the path that I am in now of wellness and alternative treatments and to help people have quality of life.